Lace Poem Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. This set is the top trending set for enthusiast level. It comes with 3 color gels, well-chosen nail tips, numerous nail accessories, and beginner-friendly tools. Start with ease, upgrade with confidence. Now let's DIY nail art with Beetles. Start with clean nails after applying medium almond nail tips. This lays foundation for our nails. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation base gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply this color gel on the whole hand. Then cure under a UV lamp for 60 seconds. We need to apply nail art foil glue. Then cure under a UV lamp for 60 seconds. Now take out the nail art foil and the tweezer. Paste nail art foil on nail plates. Be careful not to leave any gap. Peel off slightly. We need to apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel to seal the foil. Then cure for 30 seconds. Take out the French tip stickers. Use the tweezer to pick up the stickers and paste on nails. Be careful not to leave any gap. Apply this gel for French tip. Cure for only 10 seconds to prevent the issue that stickers are hard to remove. Cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Let's apply nail rhinestones. Apply rhinestone glue to nail plate. Use the tweezer to pick up rhinestones and paste on nail plates. Cure for 30 seconds. Top coat makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure for up to 60 seconds. Apply rhinestone glue to nail plate. Use the tweezer to pick up rhinestones and paste on nail plates. Cure for 30 seconds. Well done, now we are finished. Crafted for all mani skill levels, choose from Beetles Gel Polish DIY Set. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.